G'day guys, I've just fitted some LED indicator globes to my 99 GXL 105 Land Cruiser. I've come across this problem, and if you're watching this video, maybe you have, or you're about to. You have pretty much a pulse. When you actually look at the lights on the car, it's a pulse. So, let's not worry about doing this whole load resistor thing, because that's just more time and money and work than what's required. I found this place on eBay, Bling Works or Bling Auto or something it is. 25 bucks, look them up, and you can just replace the flasher unit. And it's actually a selectable flash unit, which has just got a little dial on it, and you can pick the speed of your flash. So this is what it looks like, and this is how we're going to do it. So this is the new unit. This is the factory one I've got, and they're an 8-pin, I believe. If you count them, there should be 8. So your normal auto stores won't have these. So this is it here, and it's just got this dial on top, and you can pick what speed. You just, once your lights are on, you just tune that to how fast you want your lights to flash. I have no idea what about dodges 3 times. That's yeah, maybe it's a bit of a joke with whoever made them. Anyway, there you go. Whack this in and we'll see what it does. And for reference, where I'm plugging it in mine is, you won't be able to see probably, it's a plug, it's just floating up here. A lot of people have trouble finding them apparently, the factory ones. Mine was just hanging down really, so yeah, some are tucked up, I think up near the column or something in the center. You'll just have to have a bit of a dig around. You should be able to hear it, so just turn your indicator on, and while it's flashing and clicking, you should be able to probably put your hand under there, and you end up putting your hand on it, and you'll be able to feel the pulses going through the relay. Anyway, I'll plug mine in, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so the new relay is in. No change, you say? Well, I'm just going to reach under the dash while this is filming, and I'm just going to grab that tuner knob, and I'm just going to slowly turn it. Oh, that's slowing down. How good's that? That's about normal, is it? We can go a bit more, and we can pretty much go all the way, so it's really like drawn out. There you go. So that's as slow as it'll go. Now, if you ask me, that's a bit 1950s, 1960s sort of pace. I've seen a few old cars back in the day that flash about that speed. A lot of American ones too. Anyway, so we'll pick it back up a bit. There we go. I reckon that's a pretty good pace. Let's go and have a look at the light. There we go, that's with the new one installed. It's probably the fastest you want the light to flash. I may back it off just a whisker more, but that's really up to your preference. And that's all there is to it, guys. So I'm just going to make it a touch slower, just for my liking. There we go. I reckon that's pretty good. And job done. Probably, I don't know how long that new one's going to last, because they are just some cheap import sort of thing. I mean, you know, unfortunately it's the only option. I don't know if there's any Australian companies that make electronics really like this. Anyway, I'm going to keep the old one, because if it does fail, a fast flashing or pulsing indicator is better than none. So I'll keep this for a bit. And for 25 bucks delivered, can't really go wrong, guys. So if you've just fitted your LED indicators and they're flashing too quick, then maybe this is the fix for you. Cheers. Good on you, eh? Very rude.